Hey guys, it's Kanisha with Arch Effects, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mask. Here's the supplies that you'll need. So I have a sheet of 100% cotton at 8 inches by 16 inches. One elastic tie that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's actually a flexible gardening tie. You get 16.5 feet for $1. Two 7-inch elastics. If you can't find elastics, you can use hair ties as well, and pins. So I folded my fabric in half long ways, and I'm going to mark 2 inches from the edges and pin it. I'm going to sew, leaving that sew and stop at the pins, leaving that that section open. Alright, so I already did one side, but I'm going to go ahead and tuck my elastic inside, folding, pinning it in the corners, and then I'm going to sew down each side. So now that I have it sewn down the sides, I'm going to use that opening that I left and fold it inside out. Now, I like to press my projects flat, or like I like to press projects. Some people don't, I do. So I'm going to go ahead and press it off camera. So I went ahead and pressed this flat, and I folded the fabric in half and then brought the half up 1/3 and the top down 1/3 of the way to create these pleats. I'm going to go ahead and sew around the edges, securing the pleats but not sewing up this tiny little flap there. That's where your wire tie is going to go. And you can sew it in now, or you can do it at the end, but if you do it now, make sure that you don't sew close your opening for your filter. So at this point, your mask is complete. Now, you guys, I don't sew like that, I wax. But given the circumstances with everything going on, I felt like we needed some encouragement as waxers to step outside of our element. So this is my version of a mask. If it was helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.